Tesla, SpaceX, and The Boring Company. We are all well aware that all these companies are created by Elon Musk, bringing a revolutionary change in our everyday lives by making our lives better. However, since the launch of Tesla Bot on August 19, 2021, people have now become speculative about Elon Musk's actual objective behind this project, instead of allowing it to enter our lives smoothly. As he has always strived to create things that focus on making our lives smoother, it seems through Tesla Bot the existence of humans could become more dangerous than ever. For example, if we look at Musk's statement during the launch event, it is built for humans and eliminates dangerous, repetitive, and boring tasks. Musk also said the bot could actually run to the grocery store for you and handle any number of tasks involving manual labor. In the beginning, it does feel like it's here to support us in every manner, but if you look closer, this bot is soon going to create more job losses than ever witnessed in history because of its automation technology. To be more specific, here are the harmful effects of Tesla Bot that could soon happen in our lives. Don't forget to watch till the end because we will also be talking about the positive effects and why the government should keep a close eye on Tesla Bot. Negative effects of Tesla Bots on humans. After breaking down Musk's statement that the bot is designed to adapt to any form of repetitive or boring task that people hate doing, it seems that most of our work in our life consists of repetitive tasks. For example, people working at a grocery store, driving cars, or working at factories. Moreover, whether we hate doing it or not, we focus on doing repetitive work because we must pay our bills and everyday expenses. It should also be remembered that many people are already in a repetitive profession they hate being a part of. However, if Tesla Bot could soon take over their job, it could result in massive unemployment in a country that has never been witnessed before. Furthermore, exploding our anger on this bot when it's found alone. Statistically speaking, in 2030, 375 million jobs will be lost to artificial intelligence worldwide. And according to McKinsey Global Institute, around 45 million Americans could lose their jobs to automation by 2030. These reports openly point towards areas where artificial intelligence-based robots like Tesla Bot could easily take over humans. For example, bookkeeping clerks, receptionists in the famous hotels, courier services, proofreaders, computer support specialists, market research analysts, advertising salespeople, retail salesperson, cashier, and much more. To give you a short glimpse of how cashiers in all the grocery stores can be replaced in the future, you can check the first grocery store, which Amazon has already opened, without a cashier in Seattle. Although there are jobs like human resource manager, writers, public relations manager, and others, which are still saved from the dangerous effects of AI, it should be remembered that Musk also said that the Tesla Bot could adapt to any form of repetitive or boring task that people hate doing, which makes us more worried about that word adapt regarding any form of task. Positive effects of Tesla Bot on humans. Codenamed Optimus, the bot is installed with the same chip which Tesla cars use in their self-driving feature. Musk also said that the autopilot cameras would be installed in the bot's head and is capable enough to carry 45 pounds, lift 150 pounds, and run at 8 kilometers per hour. This means it will mostly benefit needy people like old-age persons or disabled individuals. Moreover, Musk clearly said that the bot would be able to buy groceries for their owners. This makes it understandable that the bot will also be helping their old age or disabled owners grab or move usual household stuff when they're feeling lazy. Not to forget, the bot can also lift a weight of around 150 pounds, so lifting an entire month's grocery will not be an issue now. Moving further towards the technical details, the features of this bot include a height of around 5 feet and 8 inches and weighing around 56 kilograms. At the top of it, the entire face consists of a haunting screen for helpful information, so it could be considered as an advanced version of Amazon's Alexa speaker or a physical version of Jarvis Bot from the Iron Man movie that will help provide weather reports, play your favorite videos, and provide sufficient research-based information by following your command, thus increasing the level of education in underdeveloped countries, because if you look closer, despite having a smartphone with us all the time, we even today feel a bit lazy in researching or learning about a particular thing on the internet. Either through Google or YouTube, the learning process about various issues or professions takes time. However, with the help of Tesla Bot, we could adapt to the rapidly changing world at a much faster pace. Other main benefits include helping us learn different languages, coding, searching our favorite Netflix movies, or maybe cooking for us when we're not in the mood. Not to forget, if the factories are entirely going to be replaced with robots, this could result in faster growth in the country's economy with the sudden rise in the factory output. As robots will be working 24/7, 365 days, this could result in recovering from the COVID like a disaster faster, thus resulting in better economic growth. However, the company does say it is providing valuable information. But as the latest smartphones with their front cameras love to sneak a peek a little every now and then on the human population without permission, we should remember that it can result in serious privacy violations without our knowledge. Government supervision needed. If you recheck Musk's interview, you will agree with his statement when he said AI or superintelligence should be created very, very carefully. This statement now concludes that a heavy amount of government supervision should be imposed on such companies to make sure AI-based products do not harm human civilization, either in privacy or in any other manner. One of the best ways to do that is by creating a set of guidelines or regulations that AI-based companies should strictly follow. For example, directing such companies to create more jobs for people by also utilizing AI-based robots. Another way to ensure the security of people is by utilizing these robots in professions where they need the support of humans, thus ensuring the benefit of both and also increasing the level of productivity. The Tesla bot indeed has both negative and positive sides to its launch, but depending too much on such AI-based products could also backfire at any time. As Musk said that the bot would have the same chip installed in their self-driving Tesla cars, it should be remembered that on April 18, 2021, his self-driving Tesla car severely killed 2 men by crashing into a pole in Texas. Not to forget, Tesla's quarterly vehicle safety report openly says, while no car can prevent all accidents, we work every day to make them as much less likely to occur. Lastly, if you rewind with respect to the serious concern made by Musk, he said, quote, "Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous than nukes." So despite Elon Musk himself being aware and admitting that artificial intelligence is the most dangerous thing in the world, why is he focusing on building this super robot that has AI in its every inch? Well, only time would tell. So, what do you think about the Tesla bot? Do you think it will take over our jobs? Let us know your answers in the comment section. Tesla is secretly creating a new smartphone that may crush the Apple iPhone. Check out more info about that by clicking this video right here. Don't forget to press that like button if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.